up for the Bobby!
Good morning. So I'd been to rehab, I was clean for a bit. Alcoholics and addicts and stuff, the common denominator is that you don't understand what love is. You don't know how to receive love, you don't know how to give love. It's like, it doesn't really make sense. My daughter got born and I was like, okay, I get it. Like, this is it. Because I used to be on heavy like SSRIs and antidepressives and stuff, and I hated that I had to take these things to make myself feel a certain way. And through finding presence and meditation and stuff, I just swapped it out. Like, I weaned myself off those things and I started taking meditation as a pill. Originality was bugging me. I was full and I just picked up a piece of paper and I just wanted to relax with no thought or nothing, and I just started drawing and that pattern came out. And I was like, wow, that felt really cool. I enjoyed that a lot. Like, it wasn't a drama, I didn't have to think about anything. I immediately picked up another piece of paper and started doing it again. And in surfing my whole life, anything I did was just met with like adoration. So to come out of that and start something and just get nothing for it and no love was like a kick in the teeth, you know what I'm saying? But I loved it so much, and it was the first time I was doing shit for myself, that I was like, I don't actually care. Like, why wouldn't you? Like, do something that you love. Just like that, all that other external stuff means nothing. The feeling you get from doing things is, to me, I don't know, that's why you do something, right?